Hello everyone, once again welcome back to another session. In this video I will show you how to install Windows Server backup feature in Windows Server 2019 with PowerShell, and then how we can configure server backups, and we will also look how the backup files and folders stored on Windows Server 2019. Before configure the backup, we have to install the Windows Server backup feature. So let's open Windows PowerShell. Click Start and then Windows PowerShell. We can see the Windows PowerShell. Here we will write command get Windows feature name backup. As we can see, Windows Server backup available for install but not currently installed. So let's run a command to install Windows Server backup feature. Okay, let's write the command install Windows feature name Windows Server backup include management tools. Then click enter. As we can see, install process successfully complete. Let's confirm that the feature installed or not. Again we will write command get Windows feature name backup. As we can see, Windows Server backup installed on this server successfully. Now we need to configure our server backup. To configure server backup, we are going to open Windows Server Backup console, click Start button and then click on Server Manager. We can see the Server Manager dashboard. On Server Manager console, click on Tools and then select Windows Server Backup. That will open WB Admin console. This is a Windows Server Backup console now. Let's click on Local Backup. We can see that there is a warning that no backup has been configured for the server, which is currently expected. We can configure a backup schedule which will perform as we define, or we can perform a once of backup for this demonstration. I'm going to select backup once option. Let's click on it. Now here total two options. The first option is grayed out because that option will only available when you select backup schedule, but for this solution we are going for a backup once. That's we will select the second box. Now let's click the next button. On this console, choose backup all or custom. Here we are going to do full server backup. Okay, select full server backup, then click next. Now it is asking for the destination of the server backup. Remember, always store backup to the separate drive which is attached to the server. However, here we will keep in network drive. Now let's click next button. Here we have to specify the location of our network share, and that will be UNC path. And here I'm giving the share path where I'm gonna store the backup file, and we can see there is two options. One is inherit, another one is do not inherit. If I select inherit, the backup file anyone can open. If I select do not inherit, it will ask credential, and it will ask the credential at the time of restore the backup. So here I'm going to use inherit. Now let's click on backup to start the backup process. The backup process will take some time. After completion of the backup, it will show the backup successful message. We can see the backup is successfully completed, and that's how you can take the Windows Server backup. One thing, remember, always keep server backup. It will save your life. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.